Hello friends! This tutorial shows how to turn off the AI Assistant in Adobe Acrobat. We'll also look at how to turn the AI Assistant back on again. Plus, don't miss the bonus section at the end where we'll look at how to disable the AI Assistant by reverting to Acrobat's previous interface. These steps apply to the current subscription versions of Adobe Acrobat on PC and Mac. These steps don't apply to the web or mobile versions of the software. To turn off the AI Assistant, begin by selecting Menu on a PC or Acrobat on a Mac. Then select Preferences from the menu. When the Preferences dialog box appears, select the Generative AI category. From there, deselect or uncheck Enable Generative AI features. And then select the OK button to save your changes and close the Preferences dialog box. Next, exit and reopen Acrobat to apply the changes. When the software reopens, the Ask AI Assistant button should be removed from the global toolbar. Please note that you may need to repeat these steps after an Acrobat software update. If you want to re-enable the AI Assistant in the future, reselect Menu on a PC or Acrobat on a Mac, and then select Preferences from the menu. When the Preferences dialog box appears, once again select Generative AI, and then check Enable Generative AI features, and select OK to save your changes and close the dialog box. When you exit and reopen Acrobat, the AI Assistant button should return to your global toolbar. You can also disable the AI Assistant by reverting to Acrobat's previous interface. To do so, select Menu on a PC or View on a Mac, and then choose Disable New Acrobat from the drop-down menu. When the Restart Acrobat dialog box appears, select the Restart button. When the software does restart, the old interface should appear without the AI Assistant. When you want to return to the new interface, select View on both PC and Mac, and then choose Enable New Acrobat from the drop-down menu. And once again, select the Restart button in the Restart Acrobat dialog box. When the software restarts, the new interface should appear with the AI Assistant still enabled. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlists, how to use Adobe Acrobat, and how to use Microsoft Word. If you found today's video helpful, please leave me a comment with any other writing-related software tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.